Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I got this vanity look, and I'm so excited because I am the DIY person. Like, I love to look up stuff on Pinterest and figure out how I can do certain things. So I put this vanity mirror together, and it was very affordable for me, and it's simple and quick. I feel like I put it together in about 20 minutes. So yeah, that was actually a good little time. But I am going to be showing you guys where I got my stuff from. I'm going to be showing you how much everything costs. So make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe, and you also tell your friends about me. And if you really like what I did here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I can show you guys where I got all of my supplies on my desk from as well. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So I finally got my lights in. This is the brand that I chose because before I do anything, like before I purchase any product, I tried to do reviews on them, and this was the one that a lot of people said that they liked. So I'm hoping these are good lights. The price for the lights were $19.99, so it honestly wasn't bad for me. I thought that was a pretty good price for some lights. But I'm just gonna open this box up and kind of show you guys what everything looks like, and then I'm gonna show you the mirror and how I'm gonna make this whole thing. I'm really excited, so let's just get into it. So I already like kind of opened the, well, I thought I did, the tape area. So it comes with the little instructions, then it comes with the lights. So already I'm gonna say, when I looked at this online, I thought the lights would be a little bit bigger. I'm not even gonna lie, so I'm kind of over it because I really thought the size was gonna be bigger. But these are the lights. They're not that big, but hey, I'm not gonna knock it. I'm just gonna figure out if I really like these. Pretty small, but they have the little adhesives on the back, and then it comes with more if you need it. So I guess if they come apart, it comes with that, and then it has the little plug-in. So we're gonna see what this whole thing is about. I really thought they were gonna be bigger than this, and they're like a plastic material. So let's see if this is gonna work. Okay, so this is the mirror. I originally wanted a squarish, rectangle, whatever type mirror, but I decided to go with this circle one. I got it from Hobby Lobby. It was originally $119, but I got it for $30. And I just wanted to do something different, I guess. I've never really seen the circle one, and my best friend kind of gave me an idea, like, hey, do the circle one. So that's what I went with, and this mirror is pretty big, so I'm kind of scared to see how the lights are gonna go on this, but I'm gonna try to measure everything out and kind of make sure I place them right, because normally I don't do stuff like that. I really just go with the flow and just put my stuff on, because I'm normally good with measurements on my own. But I'm gonna try to find something. I don't have any measuring tape. I probably should have got square. Anyways, I'm gonna try to measure it out and then show you guys how I'm gonna place them on the mirror. So I'm not sure how I want to do this, but the bulbs came with these little things on them, so it's a lot of wire, and what I'll probably do is tuck that behind the mirror once I space them out, because wire is just tacky to me. I don't want to see wire around my mirror. So that is like a downfall, I guess, because wire is just gonna get super tacky, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna put these on there. Good thing they're plastic, because I'm really bumping them up against this mirror. So right here, I'm just basically taking off the little things that come on so that they won't unravel. And then I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to place them on the mirror. So that's what I'm doing right here. This is not me doing them, guys. This is me trying to figure out how I'm going to do them. I think that's going to work the best. So that works the best for me, is to just put them on like that. And I mean, I could measure them. I really, really could. But I'm not, because I think it'll just be easier. And then once I stick them on like this, I'm just going to tuck it. You guys will see. So I'm just going to take these off. And I'm going to, yeah, see? Gonna take one off and show you. Sticks. And then I'm just gonna do that all around. So yeah, I'm just taking these lights and I'm placing them all around the mirror, and they are pretty easy to take off. So if you do mess up, you can kind of like switch them up if you want to. Okay, so I'm finished doing that, and this is how it looks. I kind of try to tuck the cords. I'm not too mad at it, honestly. Could it be better? Yeah, I wish there was a way I didn't have to have the cords, but of course, like, in ordering anything, it's always going to be some type of problem. But I just taped it with like some regular tape, and I'm going to hang it on the wall by these little things. So we're going to see how we're going to hang this thing, and then I'm going to show you guys how it lights up, and hopefully it does what it's supposed to do. So I just hung it up, and this is what it looks like. Don't mind this. I still have to pretty much fix it, but I'm actually happy with the results, and I think it looks pretty cute, honestly. So that's it. Make sure you guys like, you comment, you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos, because I'll probably be doing more like DIYs and stuff like that, just let me know, and make sure you like this video.